Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This project is inspired by hashtag Puchysmemymondays and a Christian Crafty Adventures tutorial of her coffee maker, ice cream maker, cured machine that she did last year. And I'm just super excited about this. It came out so cute. This is going to be for a coffee themed swap, and I went to town and used my stickles and some paint and just had so much fun making this. And I just want to say thank you so much. And if you watch this video and you like this content, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing if you are not already a subscriber. I hope that you have been following me on my Instagram as well as here on YouTube, and that you will follow Puchy Tats and the Hop and all of the ladies, and be inspired yourself to create some really fun and awesome memory dex cards. These ladies really are talented, and here's some paint that Puchy recommended, and I happen to have it in my stash. It is awesome, and I used it to shabby up my project with. Just grabbed a paintbrush, started dabbing, and then went to town with the stickles. I love those cogs and sprockets that I received from the swap, and I happened to find the little milk cans for some sequins on Temu, and I Velcroed those on so nothing's going to fall out. I have a little door. You can put some stuff in there. The drawers are about an inch. So there's a lot of room for some flowers or maybe some beads, or I'm not sure, you could put some dangles in there. So I hope you're inspired by this project, and you will come back and watch the tutorial. I will be putting it up. I know I've said that before, and like I said, when I did the other memory dex card like this, it was very big, and so this one's a lot smaller, and it still holds a lot of fun stuff. So, did I say that I Velcroed that little milk can on? Oh my gosh. Thank you, ladies. Shouting out again to Puchy. Annette, thank you so much. You guys are inspiring, and the lineup was fantastic, and I look forward to more. And like I said again, if you like this content and this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thank you and hugs to all of you who have been supportive, and all of your wonderful contents. And look at the little dangle. I made a dangle. I always forget. It makes it special. So I love that milk carton. So cute. I hit up my other swaps for some little embellishments and found that rosette and the diamond dots, and the flowers are from Temu for my stash. So, oh my gosh, so cute. Love it. Yes. Oh, and the paper is from Rosa Kelly. I am one of her Patreons, and we are lucky enough to receive, if you're in the right tier, you will receive her digitals, but that is available over at Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. So check out her YouTube too, guys. And then here's some shots of before when I just got started. Alright, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. Oh, and again, real quick, make sure you head over to Puchy's YouTube channel. Watch the Hop. There's prizes at the end. It's going through August. Check all of the ladies out. They will blow your crafty mind. Ah, love it. I know, I said I was done, and then I noticed that the video had quite a bit of time left. I'm so proud. You guys are the best, those of you who have been supporting me all this time. Thank you.